Hey, are you going on a 7-day cruise and don't want to overpack? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how I pack for a 7-day cruise with just one carry-on luggage and one backpack. Let's get to it. Let's rock. Woo!
Hey babe, did you get my bag packed yet?
What? He's so tricky. Look at him.
Just kidding. I packed last week.
Hey rockers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you how I pack for a 7-day Mexican Riviera cruise on the Carnival Panorama. Now, we've been on tons of cruises and I think that I've kind of learned how to become a minimalist, but I still end up coming home with things that I didn't use. Now, one of my favorite things to bring is a backpack. Now, when I found this backpack on Amazon, it was exactly what all airlines call a personal item because it's not very big. Now, it is filled with zippers and pockets, and even in the back you can put your laptop in here, and it's nicely padded, as well as a back zipper for your wallet, so it's against you. So now what I like to pack in my backpack are all the electronic essentials that I'm gonna need on the ship, on the airplane, wherever, and this one here is one of my favorites. Now this here is a phone clamp that is so fun. Look at this. You can clamp it on a tray on the airplane. You can put it on a desk, on a chair, wherever. And you can also use it when you want to take selfies of yourself. It's super awesome. What? I also would recommend bringing a plug adapter because there's not a lot of plugs. At least this one will get you one extra plug when you're on the cruise ship. Besides that, there's 2 USB ports and we have a C connector in the middle right here. Talk about another essential item that you definitely should take with you when you're on a Carnival cruise ship. Their walls are magnetic. So these are magnetic hooks that you would just place on the wall. Because I like to bring a couple of hats with me, and so does my husband Tommy, this is perfect. We just hang our hats. You can hang, your belt, whatever you'd like to hang up on the wall, just so you know there's space is limited most of the time in the cabins. And lastly, an essential is a charging block. This one happens to be a fast charging block with the built-in cables on the back. So flush, so great. I love it. So one of my other favorite things to put in my backpack are my headphones. Now I like the ones that go over your head. These ones here are amazing. I ended up finding them on Amazon and I've always been very happy with JBL. So see how tiny they fold up. You can wear them at the pool or when you're strolling around the ship and just want to be in your own place. Now another essential item that I always bring with me when I'm on a cruise ship is I call them adult sippy cup. It's metal, it keeps things cold, it keeps things hot. Now I like this one because it has like a little finger hook. I also have a bigger hook when I want to just hang it on my backpack. It comes with a couple options to drink out of. This one happens to be the straw option. And it really is a straw. And then it also comes with an option for the people that don't want to drink out of a straw. The next thing I like to put in my backpack, because remember, we're saving space, so I like to put my makeup bag, which I don't wear a lot of makeup, so some girls might have more makeup than me, but this is all you really need, especially when you're going to the Mexican Riviera. I'm gonna get tan and all I need are lashes and lip balm. So now, I only bring 2 purses. Now, one of them is a crossbody or a fanny bag, and it is really cute. I do like leathers because if I'm gonna spend money, I want it to last. Next, I like to bring my purse that I, at night with my dress and stuff, just in case I want to bring my phone for pictures or whatever. You don't need much when you're on the ship, but something like this size or a clutch is definitely what I like to pack. Okay, another thing I like to have is music in my room or wherever. So I bring a little portable speaker with me, and I've added a little clamp on it so that it can clip on anything. And last, what I put in my backpack, because I need that luggage space, is my small blow dryer, my little mini blow dryer, or you remember when Tommy called it the blowy thing? Well, yep, that's what I'm bringing. And then next, I just bring a couple of brushes, my roll brush and a comb. This is really for Tommy's beard though. Now, a couple of things you definitely don't want to forget are hats. Now, remember, we're going on that 7-day cruise to the Mexican Riviera, and there's going to be some sunny days. So I like to pack a fedora, which I actually wear on travel day, so I don't really have to pack it. The second hat I like to bring is some type of trucker or baseball cap where it's easy to put on my backpack, but also this one's special because it says, "Rockin' the boat, baby," which I love to do. So let me show you how easy it is to pack this little bad boy. You just put it right on the outside of your backpack. Let's see how easy it really is. Okay, there we go.
Dude, are you sure you want to put that thing in the video? What is that thing?
Oh my goodness. No, you definitely want to bring this with you on your trip. It's the Downy Wrinkle Release, and I use these awesome silicone sleeves that keep the caps from coming off, especially because we're bringing carry-ons, and when you travel on an airplane, you open up your toiletry bag and there's things that have exploded. This keeps that from happening. I know, it looks pretty crazy, right? Ah! One of my other suggestions is to bring some type of antacid, some type of Tums with you, because you're definitely going to be eating more than you normally do, I bet, because there's going to be so many options. So this will definitely make you feel better. I also like to bring some type of Tylenol or Advil, because you also might be over drinking and drinking more than you normally do with that hot sun and a long day. This will come in handy for you to have breakfast in the morning. And my favorite travel item is this battery operated travel toothbrush. Wow, it works really good, and this particular one came with an extra toothbrush head. So I definitely going to be putting all the links down at the bottom here, so if you're interested in something like this, it'll be there for you to find easily. And what's really cool about this particular toiletry bag is that it has a spot where you could put your jewelry. Now, love it. I love it because I always bring a separate jewelry bag, and this is amazing because what is limited in every cabin or on a ship? Space. So with this, you definitely have a space saver. You can hang it anywhere, in the closet, in the bathroom, anywhere. Now, if you've never used one of these before, oh my gosh, you are gonna freak out when you do. Now, these are some packing cubes for your clothes. You think like, I already have my luggage, I'll just throw everything in there. But you know what's awful is when security wants to go through your bag and is pulling out your underwear and socks. With these handy cubes, you keep everything contained. I ended up purchasing one that had 3 different size ones, so a small, a medium, and a large. This one here is where I pack my bathing suits, undies, socks, and all that good stuff. That's everything. Super great. So in my medium-sized packing cube, what I like to bring are my t-shirts and tank tops, some workout pants. I don't know how much working out I'll be doing, but I do like to bring them when I want to get up in the morning and go get a cup of coffee or something. I also like to bring my sarong. Now, this trip I'm only bringing one sarong because I'm going somewhere where I'm going to be having some fun in the sun, and I love to treat myself to a sarong of wherever I'm traveling to. And maybe you'll be getting one too. All right. One last thing that I like to put in this bag is also I bring a very lightweight cover up that I can tie in the front with any of my dresses, or if I feel like I'm getting chilly, maybe in the casino or when we watch a show or something. This I also just roll up. Okay, look how easy this is, and it still has a lot of room. All right, remember, this is for 7 days. All right, now the large cube here is where I like to pack all my sundresses and evening dresses. And pro tip is most cruises will have a white party, so it's good to be prepared. So I've got my little white dress here. I've got another sundress that I could also wear at night with that shrug. And a couple evening dresses. I thought this would be really pretty at night, this at night, and this at night or during the day. All right, let me show you how I pack those. Now this below is my new favorite item. I just recently got this little bad boy. It's super tiny, spins really good, super quiet, it's made from Wrangler, very affordable. One thing I love about it though is because every time I get to an airport, I always want coffee, but then I have too many things to carry. This, I could put my coffee right there and I could still walk around with this. Roll it. I call it Rolly. Let's get packing. Super lightweight. All right. Now, one thing that we didn't talk about yet, and I'm sure you're wondering, how many pairs of shoes do you bring on a 7-day cruise? Okay, well, one, you're going to want to wear your tennies so you don't have to pack them. So I like to bring a really cute style that I can wear with my dresses and stuff. So let me put those in here. You're also going to want to have some water shoes. Now remember, we're going somewhere where we're going to probably go to the beach or even in the pool sometimes. I like to wear them because, you know, there's a lot of people there, and it's kind of, you know, these are awesome because you can double them up as a lightweight tenny just to walk around the ship. Let's put these in here. Next, I always like to have a sandal. So I like a little bit of a dressier sandal that I can wear with my dresses. They also look cute when I'm just in something casual with my sarong or something. So let's get these packed in. And last but not least, the dressy shoe. I like to bring a really cute style wedge. This time I'm bringing black because I know it'll go with everything that I have packed. Let's put this in here and I'm going to separate them. This area of this Wrangler bag has a nice zipper to keep things from shifting around and stuff. Another pro thing to definitely bring that I didn't talk about today is a small bag that you could put your towels in when you want to go to the pool or to the beach. I love rubber bands, you guys, and because they hold things together and keep it small. So this we're just going to toss in here. And these are definitely another item that you want to bring with you when you're cruising because one, they hold your towel on your seat, but they also hold your spot. So if you know you're going to want to get food, but you want to be at the pool and maybe you're going up there by yourself, you set up your towel, put your clips on and go get your food and go back and have a good fun Sunday. So I just clamp those together. I put them in a little Ziploc baggie. I also like to bring, when we're by the pool or at the beach, just in case, little waterproof cases for our phones. All right, you guys, I went ahead and put everything in. Check it out, my toiletry bag, my giant bag. I'm just gonna go ahead and zip this up real quick. Show you how easy this is. Here's that little pool bag. I've got all the shoes in here. Down below there are the wedges, the clips, and I'm just going to put that there. Close this up right here. I'm actually going to tuck that in. All right, look how easy this is, you guys. Okay. No struggle. I didn't have to sit on this bad boy. All right. So I hope this video helps you pack for your next 7-day cruise. Now, I'm going to put all the links below in the description area of the things I packed here today, so definitely check those out if you liked any of them. Also, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe and sign up for our rockintheboat.club if you haven't already, because we give away prizes and we have 2 amazing group cruises coming up for next year that we'd like you to be part of. All right, remember, keep rocking.